Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make soup using Knorr cubes. Making a delicious soup base is incredibly simple. First, gather your ingredients, including your favorite Knorr cubes, water, and any vegetables you plan to add. Next, dissolve 1 Knorr cube in about 2 cups of hot water. Stir it well until the cube completely dissolves, creating a rich and savory broth. This forms the perfect foundation for your homemade soup. Once your Knorr base is ready, it's time to customize your soup. Add your favorite vegetables, like diced carrots, celery, or potatoes, and let them cook until tender. For a more substantial meal, you can also stir in some cooked protein, such as shredded chicken or ground beef. Remember to season your soup with herbs and spices to your liking, perhaps a pinch of black pepper or some dried parsley to truly make it your own. Now, let your soup simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a harmonious and comforting dish. Before serving, always taste your soup and adjust any seasonings if necessary. Perhaps it needs a little more salt or a dash of your favorite herb. Finally, ladle your hot, homemade Knorr soup into bowls and enjoy it with some crusty bread or crackers. Here are a few extra tips to elevate your Knorr soup experience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different Knorr cube flavors, like chicken, beef, or vegetable, to create a variety of delicious soups. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making for easy future meals. And speaking of great finds, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.